What's up YouTube, it's Eli, and I'm back again with another video today. Today for you guys, I'm just gonna, do a little brush session. I'm gonna do a brush for me because I know like sometimes when I'm lacking motivation to brush, I just go on YouTube and I watch other YouTubers brush their hair, or I'll just watch my own videos and it motivates me to brush. So I just wanna, do that for you guys. If you're scrolling through and you see this video and you wanna pick up a brush and brush with me, then we could do that. I'm gonna unrack, I'm gonna show you my waves, and then I'm gonna apply some RTB. This is Royal Thickening Butter, and then I'm gonna apply some Legendary Oil. I'm only gonna be using one brush. I'm gonna be using this medium soft. The reason why I'm just using one medium soft brush and not a medium and then a soft to lay it down is because I'm still basically got a fresh cut. And when you use a medium brush, like sometimes it be a little bit too hard and it hurts my lineup, like around my neck area. And when I'm brushing and it hits my ear, or like my front lineup, like it burns a little bit or irritates it. And I don't want to do that, so I'm just gonna brush with a medium soft. It's like a hybrid. It's like a hybrid between medium and soft, of course. So it like gives your hair pull, and it's also laying it down at the same time. Right now, after you finish your session, and now you want to get a silky do-rag, and you know, if you guys want to cop some fire silky do-rags, this is how it looks when it comes in the mail. This is a new one I got, haven't opened it yet. You can go to swagrag.com and you can use my coupon code for a discount. I'm gonna leave it right here, and I'm also leave it in the description as always. This is how it looks, you know, brand new, fresh out the package. It's real silk, nice and silky, good design, nice quality do-rag, long strings. Strings is wide. So now, you guys, I'm just gonna rack up. And all right, you guys, then that is the end of the video. Look at the do-rag. As always, you guys, like, comment, subscribe. You know, give me a thumbs up. Follow me on IG if you haven't already. And, you know, just stay tuned because I'm posting videos daily. You know, I'm trying to grow my channel. And as always, stay wavy.